everyone, so thanks again for watching my video. So today I just finished my workout, so I wish to bring you all together to help this shy cat. So I hope I managed to get her trust. Let's go.
Oh, kid. Hello, meow. Why are you so shy? So, everyone, this is the shy cat that I have mentioned earlier. She afraid to socialize. If you happen to meet a cat like this, try to talk to them calmly and keep your distance. Meow meow. Come on, meow. Stop attacking me. I am not here for a fight. Youch. Youch. Oh yeah, finally she trusted me. Thanks for watching everyone. See you again next time. Meow meow.